Oculus Quest 2, advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset, 256GB, next-level hardware, make every move count with a blazing fast processor and our highest resolution of display. All-in-one gaming, with backward compatibility, you can explore new titles and old favorites in the expansive Quest content library. Immersive entertainment, get the best seat in the house to live concerts, groundbreaking films, exclusive events, easy setup. Just open the box, set up with the smartphone app and jump into VR. No PC or console needed. Requires wireless internet access and the Oculus app. Free download to set up device.
This is my 256GB headset, only Oculus Quest 2. Let's check its storage and I'll try to show you how much of my memory I'm using. The system takes up around 25GB of memory. My applications around 21GB. My environments are around 23 megabytes. I also added a few seconds of screen recording video to show you. The video approximate 4 megabytes. A 4-minute screen recording video takes up around 150 megabytes. I have 2 more accounts and they have the same data categories. It's around 9 gigabytes. Let's check that how many gigabyte is a typical game for Quest 2. You see the file with the highest file size at the top of the list, and the file size decreases to the end of the list. My Oculus has a total of 25 apps installed, and these apps take up 21 gigabytes of space. My game with the biggest file size 3.74 gigabytes, and the app with the smallest space in my storage is about 60 megabytes. I have 202 gigabytes of free space, but we will also check the file sizes of the top apps in the Oculus App Store.
Now our channel for every new